so she feeling mad.
Yo, he's really distraught, boy. Yo.
Are you rolling?
I'm rolling. Oh, okay. Happy Valentine's Day. Whoa. Bring it faster, boy. Give me more 15. More speed. No, that's the wrong song. You should never go there.
Take it back in the money, count no
And it was all before I changed for you. Yeah, you're beautiful. Welcome to the motherfucking show.
Episode 44.
Get ugly before I get beautiful.
building.
You know what it is?
This is the week we started last year.
Yeah, it is actually.
Yes, it is.
That means we're officially a year old. Touch my butt.
fishy.
And
Happy
birthday.
It's the day of love. Microwave.
If you're still single, it's okay. We got the microwave boys. We're here to keep it hot for you. You get me? It's a ota asni ruknu skuknu.
What? What is going on?
Ruknu. He says what?
Hey, take us to the moon.
Okay, guys, microwave boys, episode 44. We in here like motherfucking somewhere. Yeah, we're recording on a Wednesday night,
And it is 10. I'm telling you exactly what time it is. It's 10 minutes before 10.
10 minutes before 10 p.m.
Right
So
now.
in a few hours,
So anything
there's
could
a
have happened.
countdown to Zuma's deadline.
And she said, it won't be nice. I'm going to say, sharp. Well, just leave by yourself.
Yeah.
But it won't be nice if you don't leave by yourself.
Yeah.
So I said, what did I do?
Yeah, that's what's killing me. It's like Valentine's
What
Day.
did
And they said,
I do?
You know, guys, you know have you ever been broken up with Nah and you don't know what you did?
Yeah,
You have to ask questions like, but can someone?
I thought we were happy.
I thought we're fun.
That's why Zuma is like, what's this breakup?
That's why I still count the anniversaries of my ex because she still hasn't told me. So this says 5 years. It's been 2-3 years since we've broken up.
Actually, by the time you guys watch this, Zuma could be gone because tomorrow they're gonna table a vote of no confidence.
Yeah,
in
no,
Parliament.
but that's what we
yesterday-
said. We can't predict the future.
Oh.
So
Guys,
by
I've
the time you
never,
watch this on Friday, Zuma probably won't be a president anymore. It'll be Sarah Ramaphosa.
yo, it's like he's getting dumped by the country on Valentine's Day.
Dude. Valentine's Day is a big day in this country.
Yeah, I
Things
mean,
happen,
like-
eh?
I mean,
Always
But a
big
lot
day.
has been happening this Valentine's.
Hey, how's your Valentine's Day been?
It's Valentine's.
Talking about Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Grab it.
Yes.
Grab it. Grab it. Talk about Valentine's Day.
I don't know.
You don't know.
2018, Siamitis.
Okay. Talking about Valentine's Day.
What?
There was whoa.
I don't want to play this game.
Okay.
See, I
Okay.
dropped. When's that year?
Yeah. Okay. Guys, wait. Let me continue.
What is that here?
I want to continue.
Continue soon.
Some girl came out and she was like, you know what? Why can't I just have a guy like this
Like
for
this.
Valentine's Day?
Like this.
Exactly like this guy.
Who's the guy?
This is the guy I want for Valentine's Day.
Light skin Ricky Martin.
Oh, this guy, man.
Well,
you can
it's not
see,
dark skin.
look at the pose, you know. He's got the pretty boy pose on. And then, Deshaun Kyon
Hey.
said, hi.
Hi. Yeah.
She responded by saying,
No.
no.
Like,
There you go.
I'm literally the guy in the pic. It's me.
It's me. It's me.
I'm the guy you've been looking for.
But
And then-
this is really him. This is really.
But the guy was hacked. It's like, you just said you want a guy like me. And I pull up on you, you're like, no.
You said you want
Women
me.
don't know what they
You
want,
Say
eh?
you said you want me.
get
You
it.
know what annoys me?
What
Is
annoys
that
you?
girls have been tricking guys like this the whole time.
Yeah.
Girls take pictures up to here. They say, you're like, what up? Then next thing. And then we must just be like,
It's like when Thick also tweeted that guy tweeted her, girls I want versus the girls that want me.
Yeah.
And then she responded, I
I
don't want
want
you.
you, yeah.
And like every news publication in the world wanted to speak to her.
Yeah. But now,
Easy, Cosmo. Pump the brakes, Cosmo. And the whole world was excited that day. I said,
Accept him for who he is because he's a human being of the nation.
Mbala noise is no more.
Yeah.
Guys, you know when the first time your parents leave you at the house and you can't believe.
You know.
You're like,
I remember that.
They're like, okay, I'm going. It's just going to be you. You're like, it's just gonna be you. Be back in 3 hours. You're like, okay. So my brother knows doing. People that started it are bouncing. Artists are like, hey, but Tumbamu dip.
It's your company. It's your company.
How you gonna dip? You started this.
Yeah, you know it was weird.
We don't have the password. The admin password.
No, but these things happen. I'm sorry, like it's like cash time. You know when you leave a WhatsApp group and you're the last person there. It's like VG now is the CEO of what
about KO?
No, KO left. So VG was the last person.
He becomes admin.
He becomes admin on the.
But VG is admin now.
Yeah, so
cash
he's
time.
still cash.
So where's KO? So there's no cash time.
No KO's on Universe. What's it
Universal.
called? Yeah, that.
Everyone who's there.
Look at they are family. Like
All
we
one
gonna
jagged.
build together.
Look at the faces you see.
It's just like that. Remember that ANC real stuff
campaign, yeah.
campaign where everyone got jackets. That was the campaign was about. Everyone just got jackets.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. Mbala knows.
Look there, you can
These
see
guys
Major
just
League.
really wanted to make some dope jackets.
Yo, you see Major League is
There was
there.
no one released music when they were there. It was just
Mbali
weird.
Nkosi is there, bro. Where have you heard of Mbali Nkosi?
Two
song?
boys must be saying no, no. What's going to happen now?
When DJ Bongs left at first, it was weird. Because it was DJ Bongs' company. We're like,
Yeah.
DJ Bongs is like, I'd like to confirm that I've left Mbala Noise, but it's yours. What do you mean? It's weird. And now apparently, Reggie left.
Yeah,
Reggie just left the WhatsApp group.
but
Like, yeah,
then-
guys, I'm out.
Reggie has ANC business to handle. It's hot in the kitchen there at the ANC.
So Du Bois is the only one in the WhatsApp group.
This Brazilian drug dealer, right? Kidnapped the staff at the hospital.
Oh.
Said kidnaps, right? And takes them all into the ghetto and make them all give everyone their vaccines. That's what he did. It's like taking a doctor into a village of sick people and saying, yeah, I'm kidnapped you, but your job is here is to make sure everyone here is healed before I can release you.
Now, do we arrest him?
Or do we thank him?
Or do we thank him? It's like,
now
you know, when
it's-
everyone wants to slap someone so bad, but you want to hold back, and I say, you're like,
Like you on running out the reps. But you just met that guy. You just zack. Next thing you know, Larry Spagger
That was
contribute.
Sharp decline.
ow.
You slap yourself.
Yeah.
I've never seen that before in my life. I've never seen anyone.
No,
slap
but
themselves.
also, no, guys, can someone answer me? Do we arrest this guy? Or, like,
Do we hug him?
or do we thank him? If it was, how would the police be saying?
South African police, you.
Hey, it's for the last time. Hey, Joe. For the last time you come here, everyone gets injections. The kids with injections that are, no yellow fever, no. So they're rubbing it in at the cops. The cops are like, yellow now, hey. We put the yellow fever back.
Give it back. Yeah, put your
Put it back.
Faggot. You faggot.
Yo,
Yeah.
that was such a confusing story.
Yeah, very. I didn't get, I still don't get it, but I was just laughing.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Obviously the courts. Obviously.
Yeah.
Obviously, yeah. Obviously. Everyone there is also criminals.
I want to say, cops are dumb internationally. It's such a
Yeah, I must start
say.
blaming your metro cops and everything.
Police are done internationally.
But also you must arrest everyone there. Because why didn't you say guys?
They like freeze.
Fuck
No,
that.
they outside.
Where?
Where?
I wouldn't say anything either. I'm not gonna interfere with this. There they go. These guys rob banks. They found me outside the bank. Maybe thinking about the loan I'm going to take. These other problems I'm having. I'm supposed to help the fucking police.
They were like, guys, chill. Everyone relax.
Can't you feel?
Those guys were late from lunch break. They just left the lunch break. They were late.
Yo. But they even pulled
They said
out
457. 457. Come in. You couldn't hold it. That chicken licking. But yeah. No, we can see you guys are in the area. There's a robbery there. But yay!
Sono!
Bring that cream soda!
Who got the money in the cut? Who got the bitch in the cut? I got the bitch in the cut. Who in the back and mess? We're gonna pick in the drip. We're gonna pick in the drip. The down the hand, the bab, and bitch and bitch.
How many times has she said bitch?
When I make that moonwalk on the beach, I moonwalk into your brick, I moonwalk into your spit. Thinking, yeah, moonwalk into the bed. I can the box.
Yeah.
Let's do them bad
The Swati princess daughter or something.
She raps better than the Swati princess.
Wow.
Tarantula.
What do you do? You walk in, your daughter's rapping that.
Beat. Beat you like you stole something.
Bitch.
I would be like, my.
And the way she positioned that camera, she's alone there. She's recording herself.
Yeah,
She knows too much.
before she recorded that.
She knows too much.
Yeah, I
She
think.
played the song, she put the camera in a nice angle, not shaking.
Yeah, she knows.
Clear, crisp video. And she's laying down
Bitch, it was-
super relaxed.
Yeah.
Play it
Not
again.
worried about mom coming in.
Nothing.
Bitch, you want him wrong.
And she's really
Bitch,
saying
you
this.
broke in the car.
She said, what?
I don't know what you can wrong.
Whoever a caretaker is, like a nanny or whatever, obviously watches these videos all the time. That's how kids pick it up. I said fuck you once to her around like my 3-year-old cousin. That day when the parents came back, he knew what fuck you was.
Yeah.
He knew what
My
fuck
nephew-
you was.
Well, how did it go?
I said it so many times.
My nephew knows
That at
that.
some point,
Hey, fuck
just
you.
waited until the whole room was quiet, then looked at me.
Yeah.
Fuck you. Yay! Dinner shook. Yeah. That dinner. You know what? Everyone, he looked at me and said it, so everyone knew exactly. Only people in this house have been the child, Sipo, and the helper. And the helper is here with the child every other day. So the new person is this motherfucker here. He looked at me live and said, fuck you. And then did this.
But Nomuzi must wish she can rap like that.
Whoa!
Huh? Honey, want it wrong, a nigga take a recipe. Next topic, what's the topic? I say you setting me, but we flex. I come around, baby, on the rocks. Come on, baby, come on, do to me. Come on, baby, I wonder what's the recipe. I love you, Musli. Keep killing them, son.
That's pizza.
Next topic is
It's a voice note.
let's take a look. Can I introduce it?
Yeah. It's not a voice
Let's take a look at the voice now.
You can't take a look at the voice note.
Mike, my mom says please stop talking to me. She didn't give birth to me so you could talk to me. So please stop talking to me and don't talk to me anymore. Please block
And
me.
motse gore maka a nyaki phone ya ka e rekela mic a ka e rekela mic wa masepo a le red motse
My mom didn't buy me. My mom didn't buy
ka
this
masepa
phone
please
because
wa go tore kere on tlwela masepa re
my mom didn't buy me this phone so I could talk to you. So please block me and I'm gonna block you. I don't want to talk to you anymore.
Wait, guys. Can I just mention one thing? Look at the guy's response. He's
laughed.
laughing.
Guys,
He's
can
dead.
I be honest with you?
Because they
This
continue
guy-
to laugh about it.
Can I just
This
say,
is what my mom just, oh my god.
guys, I'm telling you one thing, man. This guy knows he's not gonna lose this girl.
Yeah.
Because
Not a
the
child.
direct translation from the mother to what she's saying is not the same thing.
Now, motse making your masepa. Like you can always hear the mom shoving a motse making your masepa motse ska ya rekela phone ya masepa le red. I wonder what Mike said though, because something that brought it to this point where she's really mad at me.
Yeah, like when she's like,
Daughter
yo,
sounds kind, please just block my number. Mom says blah 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 blah, blah block you back.
No, but Mike, take the
But she's
news.
really, and the mom's not saying anything about it. It's like Mike Nyano masepa. Mike Nyano. The problem is Mike.
New nudes.
The problem, Mike's on the dick pic.
in this week's edition of Hottie
Oh,
of the week, sponsored by Shama _is.
Shama, come show your face. Come show your
Shama.
face for a second.
Yeah.
there, and introduce your person.
but make sure the light is really on your face.
Yeah, like get in there because, buddy, you leave fingerprints on charcoal.
Jesus Christ.
Bro, I literally just got here. Like, I just got here right
Get
now.
in frame, get in frame.
Hi, I'm Shama and I'm recently single.
Precious.mommy.
Hey, man.
She's Precious. Well, let me read her bio.
Okay, so
Like
this one's
first
a
of
dark
all,
skin
fine.
beauty. For everyone that's been complaining that we don't have dark skins, we just put Shama and we brought this girl on. That's two. So that's,
What's up,
Yeah,
dude?
honestly, that was
that's
actually
two in one episode. I mean, this girl from South Africa.
She is South
What's a
African
hybrid?
living.
Like a Volkswagen?
This girl's extremely beautiful. She looks like she's got everything in order, you know?
Some slobber.
Yes,
Yes,
but she did say slim thick
Yeah.
in the bio. So you know what?
Oh, that leather one. Hey! Give it!
This must be Photoshop.
No, she said she's a slim, thick girl.
Precious under dot mommy.
Mommy.
All the way from Nigeria. Shout out Nigeria. Shout out Nigeria boys, Nigeria girls.
You get me?
Shout out to Jollof Rice, man.
What?
I don't know what to say.
Shout out to Davido.
MicroWave Boys, episode 44.
Shout out.
Yo, you know we out of this
shout out
bitch.
to
You know what I mean?
Sipo.
We're back next week.
Shout out. I'm not finished with my shout out. Shout out to. Shout out.
Angaze